Thinking about buying a cordless chainsaw but not sure which one is the best choice? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. Some models offer powerful brushless motors, others focus on lightweight portability, while some deliver longer battery life and excellent cutting performance. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews, ratings, features, and overall value to bring you the top 5 best cordless chainsaws of 2026. Whether you need a chainsaw for tree pruning, branch trimming, firewood cutting, woodworking, or general garden maintenance, this list will help you find the perfect model for your needs. Be sure to watch until the end to discover which cordless chainsaw deserves the #1 spot. Item number 5. The 12-inch cordless brushless chainsaw is a powerful and lightweight tool designed for fast, effortless wood cutting. Featuring a high-performance 2.56 HP brushless motor with 12,000 RPM and a 10 meters per second chain speed, it slices through thick branches and logs with ease. Its automatic oiling system and tool-free chain tension adjustment ensure smooth, efficient operation while extending chain life. Built with a double safety switch and protective handguard, it offers added security during use. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, this chainsaw is an excellent choice for pruning, tree trimming, firewood cutting, and everyday garden work. Item number 4. The 1200W 12-inch brushless electric chainsaw delivers impressive power and efficiency for all your cutting tasks. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, it provides greater torque, quieter operation, longer motor life, and excellent energy efficiency. The 12-inch bar easily handles branches and logs up to 9.84 inches in diameter, making it perfect for gardens, farms, and woodworking projects. A built-in safety lock helps prevent accidental starts, while the advanced heat dissipation system keeps the motor running cooler for lasting performance. Compatible with DeWalt 20V batteries, it's a reliable tool for demanding outdoor work. Item number 3. The 12-inch cordless brushless chainsaw is a lightweight yet powerful tool built for fast, precise cutting. Driven by an 800-watt brushless motor, it delivers 3,800 RPM with a 6.9 meter per second chain speed, making branch trimming and wood cutting quick and effortless. Its 10-inch maximum cutting capacity easily handles most garden and farm tasks. The built-in safety lock enhances user protection, while the advanced heat dissipation system keeps the motor cooler for longer life. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this chainsaw is an excellent choice for DIY projects, pruning, and everyday woodworking. Item number 2. The Yofidra 12-inch brushless cordless chainsaw is built for powerful, high-efficiency cutting. Featuring a 7000W brushless motor and an impressive 18 meter per second chain speed, it delivers fast, smooth performance for pruning, tree trimming, and wood cutting. Its maximum 600mm cutting capacity easily tackles thick branches and logs, while the stepless variable speed trigger gives you precise control. The non-slip ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during extended use, and the durable guide chain ensures clean, wear-resistant cuts. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it's an excellent choice for gardens, orchards, farms, and DIY projects. Item number 1. The 16-inch brushless cordless electric chainsaw is the ultimate choice for powerful, professional-grade cutting performance. Featuring a high-efficiency brushless motor with speeds up to 25,000 RPM, it delivers fast, smooth cuts through thick logs and heavy branches with minimal vibration. The automatic oiling system keeps the chain lubricated for longer life, while the tool-free chain tensioning system ensures quick adjustments. Its lightweight, ergonomic design and push-button start make operation effortless. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, this chainsaw is perfect for tree felling, firewood cutting, orchard maintenance, and demanding woodworking projects.